Indeed, a lot of you are not aware of what is currently going on between Ghanaian traders and Nigerian onion sellers. Okoto, Domba, Ndibo, Chuno Mwanya, Chuno Mwanya. And of course, it's not trending online because Igbos are not directly involved. If it were Igbo matter now, everywhere would have caught fire. Regardless, I go talk am. I go talk about am because the gods of Igbo land are working overtime. Karma is at work. Yes. Listen, in Ghana, Nigerians are commonly called alata, meaning pepper sellers. This name come mainly from the Yoruba traders, who are well known in Ghana for selling peppers, onions, and other foodstuffs. Over time, the identity became attached to Nigerians in general, especially those in trading. Now, during the Ezindigbo issue in Ghana, when some notorious Yoruba no voices were pushing narratives against Igbos and encouraging Ghanaians to act against them, things escalated. In the midst of that crisis, one of the actions taken by some Ghanaian traders was to block Nigerian onion sellers, that's the Nigerian onion traders, from operating freely in their markets. But here is where the irony comes in. The people who were mostly affected by the move were not actually Igbos. The real victims were largely Yoruba and Hausa Fulani traders, the same Alata people known for selling onions and peppers. Many of them suffered heavy financial losses as their trucks loaded with onions were left stranded. It was a painful losses for them, all because Ghanaian traders insisted they should stop trading and return home. Meanwhile, as we all know, Igbos are not heavily involved in the pepper and onion trade. Igbo traders are more dominant in electronics, spare parts, and other technical goods. So while the intention may have been to target Igbos, the consequences ended up hurting others, ironically, their own Nigerian brothers. brothers. Now, in response to the shortage created by blocking Nigerian traders, many Ghanaian traders decided to look elsewhere for onions. They turned to Niger Republic as an alternative source. However, that move came with its own complications. Ghana already has strained relations with Burkina Faso, partly due to issue of mistrust and regional tensions. Because of this, Burkina Faso reportedly refused to allow Ghanaian traders pass through their territory to reach Niger. This left Ghanaian traders with only one viable route through Nigeria. So they passed through Nigeria, went to Niger, bought onions, and were on their way back. But upon returning, the Nigerian army reportedly stopped them at the border, reminding them of how Nigerian traders had been treated in Ghana. As it stands now, many of those Ghanaian onion trucks are being held, particularly around KB. The traders are counting their losses and expressing frustration, accusing Nigerians of being unfair and harsh. On the other hand, the Nigerian authorities do not seem willing to back down easily, given the earlier treatment of their citizens. Yoruba Rowan, have you guys seen it? Have you seen the consequences of your evil and devilish action? Yeah. I need Ghana there. On one side, that is the situation on ground, and the matter we still settle till now. And once again, it is not trending because Ndibo are not directly involved. But the lesson here is loud and clear. What started as an attempt to target and humble Ndibo has now grown into a wider trade conflict between two countries. If care is not taken, it could even affect long-term business relationship between Ghana and Nigeria. Exactly. And the matter we still settle now. Bye. Don't miss out. Register your kids in our Igbo and mathematics classes today. If your kids don't know how to speak Igbo or solve maths, bring them into my academy. You won't regret it. Do you need a trusted travel agent to handle your trips stress-free? From flight bookings to hotel reservations and full travel planning, I've got you covered. Send me a DM now and let's plan your next trip the easy way. We also have lands for sale in Nteje, Anambra State. It is just 800 meters away from the airport and 600 meters away from the new building material. Yes, The land ranges from 15 million upwards, and it has CFO and every legalized documentation needed. If you're interested, send me a DM for more inquiries. Thank you. Bye.